goose knuckle for this one.
That's funny to go with that.
Isn't that hilarious?
It seemed dangerous.
I try to tack it together first.
Did you?
Look at that. Good as new. It welded really nice. It's exciting for when I go to actually weld it. Alright.
Oh.
Stainless stuff like that.
Oh. Oh. Smoky.
What's smoking?
Oh,
Damn, look at that, dude.
that's nice.
Yeah. Is there any kind of weird coating on that blade, or is
I don't
it just?
know.
Yeah, it doesn't really look like it.
I really don't know.
It's a little bubble.
That's funny.
That would have just been how I ended my weld. They call it a fisheye.
Is that a fail?
Oh, it's hot there.
Let me find out.
Would you would you fail someone for the fisheye?
Yes.
Looks at Josh. She held. That's nice.
That's crazy.
Yeah, no, it doesn't look bad.
Well, you ever ask me to fix your tractor again, Graham, you're gonna have to start buying me Browning knives for filler wire. It's dual purpose. As soon as it gets dull filler wire,